What's up, my people? Today is Thursday, 23rd October. The time is 2:22. We do have news today at 3 p.m, but I don't think it will do much, so I don't know. I don't really have to wait until 3 o'clock to trade. If a nice sell appears, I'll probably take it. Let's start with NQ. On the daily, we can see we inverse this daily gap completely. Whilst on ES we didn't, so maybe we could come on ES and take out these highs whilst this comes up around here, and then creating an SMT of those daily highs. So let's start with NQ. Okay, daily, we did invest this gap on the daily, so we could either see price move lower or move higher. It's not really confirmed, but because this would be bearish. 4 hour, we have this massive 4 hour gap. Now we're inside, and we came and inversed one of these fair value gaps till this last one. So we could be just respecting this and then move lower, or we could push up, take out these highs, and then push lower. But overall, I should be bearish today. And that's the 4 hour gap. And then mark out the hourly highs. But I should want to see price take out these highs on ES. Why? Because we made an SMT here. SMT. So these highs should want to get taken, or should get taken. All these hourly lows. And we could see price take, and we have these hourly highs. I'll mark this top one as the last one. There we go. Marked out the range of the hourly. We are inside 4 hour bearish fair value gap, so we can see a continuation down to these lows. Just like that. Okay, 5 minute on NQ. Let's see. Price is done. So we took Asia highs. There's London high now. We took Asia and London lows. Both of them got taken. And that's pretty much it. So the last thing left is these London highs, which could get taken. We got Asia lows here. That was the SMT that we created. So market open. ES should come and take London highs out. Well, that's it for NQ. Daily, it's previous day high. This one is previous day high and previous day low. Okay, let's get on with ES. ES, we're still currently respecting this fair value gap. it hasn't invested just yet. So ES on the daily is bullish. 4 hour, we do have that 4 hour gap that we're currently in as well, and we have this SMT over here. Good market. SMT. Okay, we've got the SMT, so this should go up and take this hourly high up right here. Market out. I think London high, but we'll just leave this hourly high for now. Like that. And then we have hourly low. Should mark previous day low as well. Everything's marked out. Jump on the 5 minute. Figure everything out. So that's London high. We got Asia low. Right here. Asia low. I low-key still want to be bullish. But at the end of the day, it's not what I want. It's what price action gives us. And market opens in a bit. Get rid of this and that. In terms of bias, don't really have a strong bias. We will see how market looks after it opens. Bias is probably bearish after we sweep out these London highs. Play out this SMT to London highs, maybe create an SMT with these London highs where this doesn't take London high, but these 5 minute highs instead. Previous day low. Previous day high. That's it. Market's opened. Now we're just going to see a nice SMT form and London highs. I want ES to take as is the leading pair out of the two. If anything, I could probably even just click along there. Stops there. Targeting those London highs for a quick 1, 2, 6. Or extend it to be a 1 to 2. I haven't got a good entry down here. Mark out EQ of the range. Mark out the fair value gap. Bullish. Drop down to the 1 minute. What do we have? We have a tap. And eventually we got the 79% extension closure. But I probably would have entered off here to keep it more safe. Stops there, and then targeting those London highs for 1 to 4. And that's a good trade. Usually I would have entered from like down here, only because of the strong flows are there. But this would have been a more realistic and concise entry. And this one we basically inverse this gap straight away. It's going to run all the way to London high eventually. What I want to see is NQ come and take these 5 minute highs. This is the highest I would want it to go. To create that SMT. Come on. Let me see on the hourly what draws us better on NQ. NQ is the one that inverts this, so we could get a better push off NQ. You can see on the daily, NQ is the one that inverts the gap. Maybe we could get a better trade. Minute highs. Come on, you're almost there. This hasn't even reached those 15-minute highs yet. So by the time this reaches London high, this should reach those 15-minute highs. We can do this in 24 minutes. Push up and then push down. All the way out of here. Account is saying at 2.1. Crazy day yesterday. It's lost 2.1 yesterday. But the draw was clearly bullish. I don't know what happened. It's just, I don't know what price done, honestly. Price was moving a bit weird yesterday. Draw was clearly. There we go. Create this SMT with these. You push up to these 15-minute highs. And then this takes out London highs. Come on. You got this. I don't know, okay, do you want to take the trade on AS? Well, due to NQ going to be the leading pair, should be trading NQ. Come on, you're almost there. There we go. Those 15-minute highs got taken. Nice manipulation of those highs. Now I need to see price come up and take London highs on the S. So this S&T can be complete. And that wouldn't have been a bad trade to take. It's the first fair value gap made. Hopefully create a fair value gap here with this candle. Same here. Hope we create a fair value gap here with this candle. Full port right here. Stops at that low. TP there. 1 to 1.5. Quick W. Come on, man. Urban take it. So I can get rid of this SMT. Okay, create a fair value gap here. Do not come all the way back down. That's it. Leave me this fair value gap. Up. Up is where you want to go. Up is where you want to go. Because there's a tiny ass fair value gap over here. And it could come up and take out this 30-minute gap. And this 30-minute high. Typing. Nice, just create a massive fair value up here. It just needs to hold. close to those highs. What you're playing at. Come on, hold for another 2 minutes. One more minute. This kind of should have been the one that takes London high. I don't know why it's playing that, honestly. Come on, this should be the one. This should be it. There we go. There we go. Push, push. Are you serious? That, and then grab this, grab that, to there. No higher, no mile. 245. Don't say you're going to take London higher as well. Not both of you. If it takes London high, then it might just be bullish. Come on, hold it. I don't think it's going to take London high. London high is going. It's going. This kind of closes strongly here. Clearly, we're bullish. I'm actually looking for longs. Hourly candle closes in 12 minutes. If it closes above here, then that's just a breaker structure on the hourly. If it closes above London high, that's just a clean breaker structure. And we should be targeting these targets up here. So, we shall see if this S&T holds. Or prices all of a sudden strongly bullish. feel like this is going to be bullish, 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 my friend. Going to be bullish, my friend. Yeah, get rid of that and that and that. That's no longer going to be an SVG. Let's go up and take that. The next targets are these highs up here on the hourly. That's the hourly high. Which one's the leading pair of the two? Will be yes. Well, that's already played out because it's already taken out London high. Sure. See if I can get entry on yes. There we go. London high. Capiche. I knew it was going to London high, but I was hoping NQ wouldn't take London high. Not too late for that. Also reversal back into this 5 minute gap. We get that a nice entry confirmation down here. I will take it. See if the other one gives us some sort of reversal. if we don't see any sort of reversal soon, one second, hourly candle closes in 6 minutes. The 3 o'clock candle can come back into EQ of this range and then continue up. So let's see. I was gonna say if it doesn't start making a reversal soon, then I wanna call it a day, but we'll see where the next candle closes and then that 3 o'clock candle opens. It's got 6 minutes and then we got news at 3 p.m. so might as well just wait for that as well to drop. Again, nice 1 hour break of structure. And then we're going to continue to the upside. Could even come inverse this gap. Just gotta be paid. 130, 245. That should be good to trade if price doesn't do anything crazy. So yeah, all we gotta do is wait. Now let's see where this candle closes, and wherever this candle closes. Ends up pushing up higher to like here. Not really an ideal place for it to be. I mean, we're in the 50% of that 15-minute gap. This action is moving quite slow today. Let's see when this one closes. Hopefully it closes further up so it can be more close to this first value up. This is already rotating down. So come all the way down to this gap. I don't really care about that first one. It fails to close above here. And it's not a break of structure, and we can use that 5-minute inverse to then look for shorts down. It's the matter of where this candle closes. We made a lower time from SMT. This kind of closes all the way down here under London lows, under London highs. And you might be looking for shorts. In terms of the 4-hour candle, first doesn't close above here, then it was just a sweep, and we're going to be looking for our way down. Forty seconds to see if we had a breaker structure on the hourly or not. And also use drops. On the hourly, we did break structure to the downside. 4-hour broke structure to the downside. Five seconds, and it's looking like a breaker structure. Yep, broke structure. Looking for lungs. On price to come lower though, into that 5-minute gap. That hourly candle opens. There's no way does it make a lower. It doesn't make a wick at the bottom. Come on, let's make a wick. Let us make a wick. 255. 255, yeah. Create a lower time from SMT. Now I just need this to drop. Oh, that was news. That's why I start pumping. Could even just short there. Stops there. Target in there, or even just EQ of the range. Create the bottom of the wick. Could even go all the way until down here. Oh, let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Don't know if I want to take a trade today, honestly. Sentinel, it's an extension closure, we like so far down. Yeah, we're all the way down there. Game's gone, the game's gone, the game's gone. This just needs to move lower. That is up. This needs to move lower like is. Oh, we get a 79% extension closure, right? Right. I mean, this took 252 lows. 252 lows already got taken. You can make your wick wherever, but push lower. It's doing too much up there. What I could do, oh, start to mark something there, but there's a mind. I'm looking for shorts when we just broke structure on the hourly time frame strongly as well. A bit crazy, right? Especially with ES respecting this fair value gap still. That's the only reason I was looking bearish. It's because NQ inversed the gap while NQ didn't. So if we go retracing back into here, probably look for a long to previous day high. And I feel like it will hit if we get a nice optimal entry. Price just stops messing around, finally going back to its supposed places. Maybe we create an SMT where AS comes all the way to the equilibrium of the range, whilst NQ plays around. Could even look for a quick short right here. This family gap, or even EQ the range, or this family gap. Momento. That's not what I want. Oh, right inside that family gap. See if anything comes of it inside this family gap. 247, 247. Let's see. Price comes and takes 247 lows. Until we get 79% extension close, so price closes all the way up here. And for now, 2. Candle fair value gaps inverse. Lower time frame S&T. That's not what I want to see. I want the price to come lower. That's it. Come lower. I want you to come all the way down here. Maybe into EQ. I want you here. I want you here. Let's move it lower. Amazing. Amazing. Come on. Come on. It's going to have to come at least to this low, to this 15-minute fair value gap. Here we go. We're moving. Now we're down. I want to press up into this one and give me a nice entry. $2.37 low. $2.37 low. Actually, 242. 240. So I'll say, yeah, price doesn't tap into this one, but taps into here, then it could be looking very good. I'm just showing from all the way up here. Stops at the high, targeting EQ of the range. 1 to 2. Quick one. Quickly as well. Quickly. Quick one. Quick one. That's it. Create a bottom wick. That's what we want to see. Once we tap into this 5-minute EQ range, anything is possible. Possibly, anything is possibly. You know what? I'll just do that. I will be back in 2 seconds. So we came up and inversed this gap. I don't want to tap into that 5-minute fair value gap. Down here, and ES do, not NQ, I mean NQ, same thing. So I should enter on ES right now. 247, S&T still holding. On the 5-minute, I would want to see this get invest to then look for entries. I'm still respecting this. Maybe we're closing above here and the next one will come lower and tap into here. I don't know. What it's looking like is NQ is leading and it's flying. If we get 79% extension closure here, I'll enter on NQ. Put my stops down here and then target previous day high. And we'll see if it takes a 311 low, creating yet another SMT. And we've got this 1 minute bullish fair value gap here. Just not going to jump into it straight away just because. Oh, good thing I didn't. Look, I got invest, so this is the next one to be hit. And if this gets invest, then I'm going to call it a day. There's no reason that this should get invest. If this gets invest, then it's probably going to be no trade day for me. We come down and invest this family gap. I'm out of here. Did we tap into it? Seems like we did. Yep, we tapped into it. Let's see how this closes. 311. This 311 low is going to get taken. We get 79% extension closure on this candle. I will enter. See what the rest of the reward will be looking like. Put my stops there. And then target this high, previous day high. Target to previous day high. Sword is okay. There we go. Tapped into EQ. Now I want to see something happen from here. Let's see how this candle closes. 1 minute. Stops were down here, then I'll still be in the trade. Well, let us see. Good thing I was patient. My days. Okay, we've got this 1 minute fair value gap forming. I want to see it get invest. Got no reason to come all the way down here. I mean, Q is the leading pair. See if we get an investor. This went all the way until 236. I mean, it took the 311 lows, created that SMT. 5 minute. It's closing in 1 minute. No, closing, not this candle, the next candle. So we shall see high to the low. get 79% extension closure here. I'll be more than happy to take it. I mean, this didn't get inversed fully. Still alive. Okay, now this is where it matters. If we close down here, then I am off for the day. I'm not going to be trying to catch a trade. Seconds. If it doesn't work out, close above here, then it's not looking too good. Might be looking like it's going to come all the way down to these lows. And create a SMT over here. Gonna look for possible shorts maybe. Okay, that wasn't really nice. Go with that, I got inversed. Family gap got tapped into. Price somehow recovers and closes all the way. This would be even point. Let us see. Continues to make those, then I'm off. The thing is if this 15-minute gets inversed, then that's where the problem is. ES is the leading pair of the two, so you never know what could happen. I want to see 79% extension closure. That's what I want to see. Needed to invest this. It's looking like it's respecting it. Okay, this could be it, lads. I could just be making retracing back to that 5-minute break-even point. Swiss reward is not really good. I want to see price retrace back. Making its way back to that 5-minute gap. And we get the 79% extension closure. Go with that for now. EQ of this range. We get maybe a tap into here. And then we'll see from there. Just give us a 79% extension closure too. I might just long on the ES right now. ES. Give us a little bit of a wick back down. We've got a 5-minute break of structure. Coming to see a bit of a rotation back to the downside. Come on, give me something. Give me something I can work with. Come on. Looking like I was hesitant and I might pay for it. One to three to previous day high. Come on, give me some sort of retracement back. 5 minute. If we invest this 5 minute, I'll enter. I'll long it. Unlucky, hesitated on that. Give us some sort of retrace. Actually, this is the leading pair. Yes, this draws on liquidity stronger though. Three minutes left on that candle. Either enter off this inverse or a bear entry when if it doesn't inverse this gap. Just didn't have a 5 minute gap, but we did break structure on the 5 minute. Honestly, I might just long it because of how bullish it's looking. 4 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute. See how this candle closes. Oh, we have this gap down here that I want to see price tap into though. That's it. Come lower. 4 minute. Let's go 1 minute left on it. Let's see if my patience would pay. Give me something good. Hopefully this doesn't take the 324 low. Seconds. EQ, come on. You want to be patient. No need to rush. No need to rush. Just give me to cover those lows. It's 5 minute candles, still got 4 minutes on it left. Come on, come down and hit EQ. That's all I want. Oh no, you got it. Get some ramps and extension flows here. And looks like I might have to enter. Patience pays. Patience pays. Just gotta be patient. Yes, 3 contracts. Get ready to buy. That's it. Beautiful. Let's get a nice closure out of there. And mark out this SMT. 5 minutes, it's got 2 minutes left on it. Tucked into this 2 minute gap. Let's see how strong of a close we can get out of this 2 minute gap. That's it. Give me that strong close, my heart. This is moving sideways. I might just hit wrong, I don't know. You know what? How long?
Order filled.
Stops would be right there. Take profit. Previous days. We're 700 on this trade. Let's see where it goes. Entered right there. Stops are that low. See if we eventually get that 79% extension closure. And where is NQ? NQ is making some way up. Slowly, not surely. 5 minutes. This candle closes in 4 minutes. Massive wick out of there. This is nice. Risking 700. It's a nice amount of risk. So hopefully, past the account, I'm going to go all the way to previous day high. It's only 336. Still low key early. Respecting this gap, I want to see a move out of here now. Just like that. I want this to close above here. Come on. 30 seconds, nice. Beautiful pushes. I want to see how this closes and then I'm going to figure out where my break-even point should be. 20 seconds, hold. Don't wick out. Stay strong, stay strong. Don't be just a wick. It took 327 high. 327, yeah. 3 seconds. Beautiful, we got 79% extension closure. The price is just moving higher and higher and higher. See if we can catch this 1 to 9. Possible 1 to 9. I think my break-even point should be come on the 5 minute. Should be these highs, shouldn't it? Yeah, break-even point should be these highs up here. Inside a 15-minute gap, which is even better. I want this to invest. Come on, hold. I need this family to invest. Just like that, keep it pushing. Come on, hold. Early candle. It's making a massive wick rejection. Good thing I was patient. I mean, I could have taken this trade right here as well. There we go. Was that 5 minutes? Oh, still got a couple minutes left on it. Come on, hold. Hold, 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 hold. It's at least reaching its hourly high. So I got break even at this high right here. get rid of that for now. I know we tucked into that EQ range. Seconds, hold. That's all you gotta do is hold. I think once we invest, I should want to go break even. Yep, we invest nicely. I'm gonna go break even right now. Just because I don't think pressure come all the way back down here. Break even, making $37. Let's see. My break even point should be right here. See how that goes. I am at break even. I'm off break even. Why? Because price shouldn't want to come all the way back down to here. Over there. 5 minute, nicely invest. Did we get a 5 minute 79% extension closure? Almost. Let's see how this candle closes. This candle needs to close above here and we're in the money. Currently up 1K. The hourly is moving. I just wanted to reach these highs. Once it reaches those highs, I am Gucci. Exactly 4,500. We gotta consider fees as well. So we'll leave it exactly there. Come on now. 2 minutes left. Let's see what you got for me. 15 minute, nice, it's pushing. 30 minute, it's pushing. 1 hour. Creating a massive work rejection this hourly. I shouldn't want to see it come back down to my entry level. It's a bit questionable if it would. I mean, no question about it, it could, but I wouldn't want it to. I'm pushing a lot closer to my break-even point. Playing a bit too much here. So tap into here and then move out. Once it hits here, I'm probably out of the trade. Come on, let's respect this 1 minute and get out. If we inverse it, I'll close. If we respect it, come on, hold. Nice. Let's get out of it. Let's push up and not down. Let's go 1 minute left on this candle. This candle needs to be strong. That's it. Come on, close above this orange line. Once we do that, could be looking into the money. Damn, where did I take this trade? I had this trade out 330. I mean, I was patient enough to see what price wanted to do. And honestly, if it's a loss, it's a loss. Okay, that candle closed now. We need this to push up out of there. Shouldn't want to come take this low, right?
Order filled.
I'm out of break even. I'm gonna call it a day. Price action wasn't the best. What happens? Oh my days. Oh, I thought that was the wick. I was gonna say. Oh my days. Anyway, price could retrace all the way back up and eventually hit my full take profit. But I wasn't willing to put money on it. Only reason because price action wasn't looking the best. I'm gonna relock myself out. The whole time it's just gonna rip to that side now. Oh my days. So you come hit my break even point. Hit break even just to rip up. You're taking the piss. Mark this 1 minute inverted value gap instead. Oh my days. This is true pain if it goes all the way to take profit. Tapped into that 1 minute IFEG. And this tapped into that 15 minute gap. No way. You know what? I'm done. Price action goes up, price action goes up. Oh, it's gonna go up, isn't it? And it's gonna close above 79% extension. Oh, that is pain. Anyway, done on the day at $66. And yeah, see you guys later. Any questions, leave them in the comments. And I'll be here back tomorrow, obviously. I still do my trade journals, but I just don't record it anymore. I don't see the reason to be recording it for you guys. Trade journals for me at the end of the day. So that's me done for the day. Thanks for watching and peace.